If you've got a flat or low slope roof, you've probably heard about foam roofing replacements in Tucson, Arizona. Some people say it's the perfect solution. Others share horror stories about leaks, blisters, and surprise costs. So, what's the truth? Spray foam can be a game changer in our desert heat. It creates a seamless, highly insulated layer that helps keep your home or building cooler and can cut down on energy bills. Because it's sprayed in place, foam follows every detail of your flat roof and helps seal the little areas other systems might miss. But here's the part many homeowners don't hear. Pima County, Arizona foam roofing replacement is very technique sensitive. If the existing roof isn't cleaned and repaired correctly, or if the foam and coating aren't applied to manufacturer specs, you can end up with ponding water, coating failure, and early leaks. Foam roofs also need regular inspection and periodic recoats. When you stay on top of that maintenance, they can last for decades. When you don't, small issues get expensive faster than you'd expect. At Golden Roofing Arizona, we start with a thorough inspection, photos, and a clear explanation of whether foam roofing replacement makes sense for your specific roof. If it does, we'll walk you through the costs, the process, and the maintenance plan in plain language. If you're wondering whether foam roofing replacement is right for your Tucson, Arizona roof, schedule a friendly, no-pressure inspection with Golden Roofing Arizona and get honest answers before you decide.